Friends, in last chapter we have seen that how messages were forwarded from a child to parent. So again, a scenario is here like, can child send DOM events like button events to the parent? We have seen that child is sending messages to the parent with the help of dispatcher. But can any DOM event like button event or mouse enter, can this be forwarded to parent? Answer is yes. Okay. So let's see this in example, how we can do this. We'll create one child and we'll create buttons inside it, and we'll see that button click event is getting passed to the parent. So let's see into this into in action. So we already have a child here, okay, and we are using this child in the parent. So I will comment the last lecture, not required. Okay, this is again not required. So this is our child now. Now what I will do is I will comment this not required, and again this is not required. Okay, now what I will do is I will create a kind of buttons over here so that you will understand that how I will create three buttons here. Okay, so this is click button, and this I will say child click, and I will duplicate these three buttons, and I will say here child, this is click 1, click 2, and I will say mouse enter. Okay, so these are the three buttons. Okay, I'm just want to forward only this event needs to be forward. Whatever method is there, whatever click method is there, I'm writing it in the parent. So what is happening over here is DOM event getting forwarded by the component. So if any this is a button inside this child component. So whatever DOM events, like this is a button, whatever click event generated by the button, I'm not writing the implementation method here. What I'll do is I'll write the implementation method over here. So here I have to say simply on click. Okay, so what I'm saying simply on click. Now let's see this how it appears. So there are three buttons. Okay, child click 1, child click 2, child click 3. Okay, now here I have to say simply on click. Okay, and here I have to implement that function on click, let's say from child. I'm implementing this function. Here I will say console dot log child button, comma, or I will say child button clicked. Okay, I'll open the console here. Now see, when I'm clicking this child, nothing is happening because I have not implemented this here. So what I'll have to do here, I have to say equal to from child. Okay, so you will see messages if things are not working here. If things are not working, just restart it up. Okay, so now say child click, you will see child button clicked. So what we have done is we have created, we have forwarded this on click message, on click event here only in this. Okay, so assume scenario like child have a multiple buttons. Like if child have one more button like this one, this is the second button as we can see here. Okay, so this is the second button. If I write again here on click, if I say on click, what will happen now? See, again button clicked, but I have forwarded this and this both I have forwarded. But here you can see parent is not able to identify which button has been clicked, whether this has been clicked or this has been clicked. Okay, so remember when you have multiple buttons, so this is the problem you are going to face if you click this again this, because there is no way to figure it out here. So in that case better you can um, better use the dispatcher with message to identify like what client wants to select. With you can send the, if two buttons are there, you can send button 1 is click, button 2 is click, and based on this button 1 and button 2 click, parent will take the action. But here if you have multiple buttons like this, then it's very difficult for parent to identify like which one is clicked. So if I say on here on the mouse enter, if I say on mouse enter, so what I'll have to do here I'm forwarding this mouse enter event. So here I have to say on mouse enter equal to mouse enter method I am writing here. Okay, so simply I'll say here mouse, what I will say mouse enter, and here I will say mouse enter. Okay, now you'll see this in action. So if I am clicking this, you are getting button click, which is this method. Now if I am saying if I am bringing mouse here, you can see this is getting triggered, this method is getting triggered. So this is guys how you can implement event forwarding uh, in case of Svelte. So hope you like this video. So please share, like and subscribe video. See you in the next chapter.